Hey, good morning. I'm certified meteorologist Brandon Orr. Flood watch already in effect because we're going to start getting heavy rain from a system that's kind of unrelated to Tropical Storm Milton that's in the Gulf of Mexico, but we're going to get that on top of all of this. And when you add all of it up, we're looking at up to 10 inches of rain in some places. No surprise, we have a flood watch that starts today, and we're going to see those rain chances increase as the afternoon goes on, especially as we get towards late afternoon into this evening when it becomes a bit more widespread. You can see our model by noon already has more showers and storms on it compared to what we've been dealing with so far this morning, and that only increases as the day goes on. You get some of this rain coming down pretty heavy. We could see some flooding in spots going into tonight. It's not going to be the nicest night, that's for sure. Here's the latest on Hurricane Milton, or I should say Tropical Storm Milton, which is expected to become a Category 3 hurricane here in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico with max winds at 120 miles per hour. Now, technically, if you notice here in Miami, we are out of the cone. We are not out of the impacts. In fact, this storm system, even if it were to track on the southern part of this cone into Fort Myers, would bring hurricane conditions to South Florida. So we still should watch this closely. If this storm were to track right down the middle of the cone, let's say up towards Tampa, we'd still get at least tropical storm conditions. So we are still looking at impacts from Milton either way. The extent of those impacts, we still need to pin down. There's a weak area of low pressure out ahead of Milton. That's what's given us all that widespread rain late tonight and into Monday. Milton itself on Tuesday, still pretty far away, but the leading edge of some impacts could arrive late Tuesday with most of the storm on Wednesday, likely making landfall as of at least the Category 3 hurricane. We'll see if it's closer to Tampa or closer to Fort Myers. We'll need another day or so to pin this one down. Hopefully even by later today, we'll start to get a better idea. We do know a lot of this will clear out Thursday and going into the second half of the week, so getting closer to next weekend. It's going to take some time, but after Wednesday, we'll see some improving conditions. Updates on local10.com. I'll see you there.